In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animation in Behance. Now, the first thing you have to do when you sign into your account, you want to go to Share Work top right, and you want to hover over it and click on Project. In here, inside your project, you'll be able to add content. So of course, you can go ahead and add any type of animation as long as your file type is supported. So for example, JSONs unfortunately are not supported. If I go and try to drop this in, for example, like a Lottie JSON, it's going to say that only these up top are available. And as you can see, if you have any of animations inside any of these, so let me actually show it again to you. Here, you'll be able to do it, but if you don't have them, then unfortunately, you won't be able to actually put in or upload or add your animation. So the easiest way to do it is just to use GIFs or something similar. So save your animation as a GIF and you're good to go. Then when you do this, select image over here or just drag and drop your GIF in here. And of course, you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to select this GIF, click on open. And there we go. We have a GIF over here. Okay. So this is a GIF. It loads in. And there we go. As you can see, it's an animation, but it's a GIF. So whenever you've done that, go to the right, scroll down and click on continue. Here, you'll basically have to upload an image over here. Now, as you can see, that GIF files will not animate, so we have to basically get an image of this. So you have to click on upload over here and find your image. I'm just going to use this one over here, even though it's not related, but for you, of course, you can use whatever cover you want. And I'm just going to click on crop whenever this loads. There we go. You have to give it a title, so I'm going to name this one animation, and then tags over here as well. So for example, animation again, I'm going to click on the tag, and then you have category over here. So I'm going to click on category, and then we're going to see if animation exists. There we go, animations over here. I'm going to do GIF animation, click on done. You can do whatever you want, of course. You can, of course, put multiple if you want to. Then you can put in the tools you've used. You can check and make visibility over here, put in additional details like descriptions, copyright, stuff like that. And if, of course, you have a team who worked on this, you can put on their credits down here. Then click on publish. Or of course save as draft. We're just going to publish right now, and you'll see that we've successfully added the animation to our portfolio. If I go to the top right, hover over my profile icon and click on Behance profile, now I can see, there we go, here's my animation. I can just click on it and you'll see that it's going to pop up that specific animation GIF over here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.